Okay, welcome to your weekly Pixel Roundup where we discuss any news or anything of Pixel sort for the last week. Right, this week hasn't been too exciting, but we did discover a new feature and we did have the August security update for your Pixel Fold. So if you haven't updated, make sure you go down to settings, systems, and update your Pixel device so you can get the latest security fixes and bug fixes for your device. Also, if you didn't know, Pixel Fold is probably, if not, one of the only Pixel devices that has spatial audio directly into the hardware of your Pixel Fold. These speakers, yes, they support spatial audio directly on the speakers. No need for a wire headset or a Bluetooth headset that supports spatial audio. In order for you to enable that, let's go to settings, then you head down to sound and vibration, scroll down, you have a section that says spatial audio. Click on that and make sure that phone speaker is enabled. That's gonna allow you to take advantage of all those nice Netflix shows. If you have Netflix actually supports spatial audio, so you can take advantage of that spatial audio. Give you a quick sample there before I get.
Let's not do anything rash.
Did you hear that? That sounded fantastic. So that was just a quick sample of that, what Netflix can provide for you with spatial audio on your Pixel Fold. So as soon as I finished recording the Pixel Weekly Roundup video, I was scrolling to Twitter and I saw that a audio magic eraser feature has leaked for the Pixel 8, and I'm going to show the little promo video here. So there you have it, guys. A exclusive Pixel 8 feature has leaked. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. So there you have it, guys, for this Pixel Weekly Roundup. With that being said, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week on the Pixel Weekly Roundup. Peace!